Alright, here we have the Baldwin Street Railroad crossing in Fontanet, Indiana. It's got a pair of older Conrail signals. It's bellless as well. Here's the first signal. It has a SafeTran base, SafeTran gate mechanism. Here's the emergency information. Crossing is 540-205H. The lights are two pairs of SafeTran 12x24-inch lights and two pairs of SafeTran 12x20-inch lights. And Rico gate lights, which I think are LED. There's the relay case, which for some reason says Fontanet Road. There's the other signal. Let's go have a look. That road right there is called Railroad Road. Oh, it's mostly just an alley. Here's the other signal, which is actually pretty much pure Conrail. Rather nice. Oh, there's a train. Oh, man. How about that? Whoa. That is luck. Gate on the left's kind of slow. Well, that came out of nowhere. Alright, continuing the crossing tour. Monitoring the street's base, Western Colony's gate mechanism, more emergency information, some SafeTran 12x20-inch lights, which are incandescent, two pairs, and the gate lights here are LEDs. Rico LEDs. And there's the relay case, which is rather old Conrail relay case. There goes that train. That's track view east towards Carbon and eventually Indianapolis. That's looking west towards Terre Haute. And yeah, there's a Model 5 over there. But yeah, this is the Baldwin Street Railroad crossing in Fontanet, Indiana. And that looks kind of interesting, to be honest. But yeah, this is the Baldwin Street crossing in Fontanet, Indiana. Thanks for watching. Over and out. Plus a train passed, yeah. So we got the activation. Over and out.